In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find and replace a color in Adobe Illustrator quickly and accurately. This is an incredibly useful technique if you're updating brand colors, adjusting a design variation, or cleaning up artwork that uses inconsistent shades. Instead of manually selecting objects one by one, Illustrator has a built-in Recolor feature that makes this process smooth and efficient. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can confidently replace any color in your design. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Illustrator guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your Illustrator file and select your artwork. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the entire design, or by pressing Ctrl or Command plus A on your keyboard to select everything on the artboard. It's important to make sure all the elements you want to update are selected before moving to the next step, otherwise some colors may not change. Once your artwork is selected, look at the top control bar. You'll see a small color wheel icon labeled Recolor. Go ahead and click that. This opens Illustrator's Recolor Artwork panel, which is where the magic happens. When the panel opens, you may see a simplified view at first. To get full control, go to the bottom right corner of this window and click on Advanced Options. This expands the panel and gives you more detailed color controls, which is exactly what we need for precise color replacement. At the top of this expanded panel, click on the Assign tab. The Assign tab allows you to manually map existing colors in your artwork to new ones. On the left column, you'll see a list of all the current colors being used in your selected artwork. On the right column, labeled New, you'll see the colors they are currently assigned to. Now, in the left column, find the specific color you want to change. If your artwork contains multiple similar shades, take your time to identify the exact one. You can click on each color row to preview which parts of your design are using that color. Once you've located the correct color, move to the right side. In the New column, double-click the color box that corresponds to the color you want to replace. This will open the color picker. Inside the color picker, choose your new color. You can manually adjust the sliders, enter specific hex or RGB values for brand accuracy, or use the eyedropper tool to sample a color from your artwork. This is especially helpful if you're matching an existing palette. After selecting your new color, click OK. You'll immediately see the preview update in the background. If everything looks good, click OK again in the Recolor Artwork panel to confirm the change. And just like that, Illustrator replaces that color everywhere it appears in your selected artwork. No need to manually select shapes or worry about missing hidden elements. This method ensures consistency and saves a huge amount of time, especially in complex designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Adobe Illustrator tips and tricks. I post easy, step-by-step design tutorials to help you work faster and more confidently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.